What if you could own a piece of a Manhattan skyscraper, a portfolio of industrial warehouses, a network of cell towers, and 50 apartment complexes, all for under $100, with no mortgage, no tenants, no maintenance calls, and the ability to sell your position in seconds? That's not a fantasy, it's what a REIT does. And for millions of investors who want real estate returns, without the landlord lifestyle, REITs are one of the most powerful and underused tools available. Before we dive in, two quick things. First, everything in this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any major money decisions. Second, this channel uses AI-generated voices and an AI avatar presenter for content creation. We believe in being upfront about that. All right, now let's get into it. Welcome to Compound Yield and Grow, where we make every corner of investing accessible, including the ones most people don't know about. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. We publish a new video every week, and every one is built to give you a clearer picture of your financial future. A real estate investment trust, or REIT, is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. Think apartment complexes, warehouses, hospitals, data centers, cell towers. Congress created REITs in 1960 specifically to give everyday investors access to large-scale real estate. The key structure. By law, REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends every year. This legal requirement is what makes REITs so attractive to income investors. They're essentially required to pay out the majority of their profits. The result? You buy shares of a REIT, like a stock, receive regular dividend payments, and you never have to deal with a mortgage, a tenant, or a leaky roof. Residential REITs own and operate apartment complexes and single-family rental homes. They tend to perform well when housing supply is short. Commercial REITs own office buildings and retail properties. This sector has faced challenges since the rise of remote work and e-commerce. Industrial REITs own warehouses and distribution centers. Driven by e-commerce growth, companies like Prologis dominate here. Data center REITs own the facilities for servers and cloud infrastructure, one of the fastest growing sectors, driven by AI. Healthcare REITs own hospitals and senior housing. Driven by demographic trends, an aging population needs more facilities. Infrastructure REITs own cell towers and fiber networks. American Tower and Crown Castle are key examples here. How have REITs performed? The FTSE Nareit Index has produced average annual total returns of approximately 11 to 12% over several decades. REIT dividends typically yield 3 to 5% per year, considerably higher than the 1.3 to 1.5% yield of the average S&P 500 stock. REITs also provide genuine diversification. Their returns have historically had a relatively low correlation with broad stock market returns. The downside? REITs are sensitive to interest rates. When rates rise, REIT dividends can become less attractive relative to bonds. Option 1. REIT ETFs and index funds. VNQ covers the U.S. market with a 0.12% expense ratio and yields roughly 3 to 4%. SCHH is similar with a 0.07% expense ratio. For most, VNQ or SCHH in a Roth IRA is the clean, simple answer. Option 2. Individual REITs. Realty Income, known as the monthly dividend company, has increased its dividend every year for decades. Option 3. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in private portfolios. Minimums can be as low as $10. Let's put them side by side. Access. REITs. Buy from $1. Direct real estate. typically $20,000 to $100,000 or more for a down payment. Liquidity. REITs sell in seconds. Direct real estate takes weeks or months. Diversification. REITs, dozens of properties instantly. Direct, concentrated in 1 to 3 properties. Tax. Both have advantages. REITs in a Roth IRA grow and are eventually withdrawn completely tax-free, a highly efficient combination. Quick reminder before we go. Everything in this video was educational only, not financial advice. And this video was produced using AI-generated voices and visuals. Now, if this video gave you a clearer picture of how to build wealth, hit the like button. Subscribe to Compound Yield and Grow if you want a new investing video every week. And drop a comment below. Are you more drawn to REITs or direct rental property? Tell me which side you're on. I read every comment and I genuinely love to hear from you.